What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got a brand new Better Homes and Garden 2-bag laundry sorter, and this is a Jay's Collections liftable lid, durable metal frame, black metal and natural oak finish. The size of this is 25 by 28 25.28 inches width, with 14 inches diameter, 36 in height, 64.2 centimeter, 35.6 centimeter, 91.4 centimeter. You can get this from Walmart or either Amazon, and either probably you can buy this as well as from eBay. This type of Better Homes, I got this from the shelf. This one, they sold this to me. This is on clearance. I got this only for $40, and so on clearance. I don't know the price before, but that's what I got it from the shelf, $40 only. I'm showing you guys once I open this Better Homes 2-bag laundry sorter. Well, this is the actual laundry basket that it comes with a metal frame. This is hardwood, and you see there's a hinges to the side or to the edge or to the back of this hardwood, and those are my laundry. You can put this next to your laundry washing machine. You can use this to sort up your clothes, or either use as a dirty laundry basket. And the old one is like this. It's already been broken, see. So I decided to get this from the shelf, from local Walmart for $40. You will not get wrong. One of the best laundry basket made of steel. It has a wheel, see. It has a locking mechanism at the back. It's the locking mechanism at the back. It's a beautiful laundry basket. You can organize all your dirty clothes. See, this thing is made of fabric with some plastic insert. So not as bulky, but it's a compact that you are able to store your dirty clothes, or either you can use this to sort up your clothes. They're newly dry or newly washed and dry clothes, and you can put it inside and you can sort it out. And that's the useful things you can use for this type of laundry basket. And with the bar frame, because the one that I have before is made of plastic and it won't last for a year, but this one I can guarantee it lasts for a long period, years to come. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, and if you guys found my video helpful, kindly share, subscribe to my channel. I'm more than happy to upload videos to come. Just keep tuning to my channel. May God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.